She's probably right. Probably my nose is too big for films. From a very young age, I was dying to act, but my mother, as you know, the famous story said, no, you're not going to act because you're not a conventional looking actor. My mother just stopped in the middle and said, Kitna bura kar rahi hai? I was like, I think I died, I froze.
Hi everyone, welcome to Filmfare OTT Showcase, a series in celebration of the upcoming Flix Filmfare OTT Awards. I'm in conversation with the incredibly talented Masaba Gupta. Masaba, as the cliche goes, needs no introduction. She is she's become like a byword, fashion, and now even acting. So let's ask her more about that. Uh, Masaba, I must tell you, I watched Masaba with a lot of uh, trepidation, and I was like, oh, okay, here, let's see what she has. And let me tell you, I was pleasantly surprised and absolutely loved you in Masaba. Masaba, you were fantastic. Uh,
Thank
please
you.
tell, please tell me about this journey from fashion designer to actor.
When you're born to, either one parent or both parents who are in film, I just think you naturally think it's such a glamorous thing to do. And, let me also give it a shot. But I think from a very young age, I was dying to act. But my mother, as you know, the famous story said, no, you're not going to act because you're not a conventional looking actor. So you will be stuck in this rut of doing the same, stereotypical stuff. And so then I think when I was about 15 or 16, I said, okay, fine, forget it. She's probably right. Probably my nose is too big for films. So commercial films. So then I just enrolled myself at fashion school, and the rest, as they say, is history. I think the journey has been a very memorable one, purely because I was never bitter about not being able to do films or act earlier. I'm very happy with the timing of it. I think there couldn't have been a better time. And as you know, I think today the world has just opened up to all kinds of people, and I think people like me, people who look conventional, people who, want to do offbeat work, I think there's room for everyone. So I couldn't be happier about the timing. And I think when they say God has a plan, he really does. So it's been a very memorable journey for me. I love it.
How did this come about? This semi-real, semi-fiction. How did this thing come about?
So Ashwini Yardi, who's our producer, she just wrote to me one day and said, I love your Instagram, and I think I can make a great show out of just the way you are. You're so open on your Instagram, you're fun, you make fun of yourself, etc., etc. And I said, oh God, you want to do like a version of Kardashians where, you have a camera following me around. And that is not my idea of fun, because I'm a very private person, believe it or not, even though I don't seem like it. So I said, that's not happening. And she said, no, it's going to be partly scripted, part reality, but we will borrow instances from your real life and have them play out on screen. But you and your mom play yourselves. Everybody else is a character. So I think that was such a great concept. And the thing, Jitesh, is I'm so easily bored. Like, I'm just always bored. I'm like, now what's next? Give me some challenge. So I said, this is a challenge. Firstly, I play myself. Secondly, it's a concept that hasn't been done in India. And I just said, you know what, let's do it. And firstly, I was in that mood that, everybody said I can't act. So now you wait and watch. So I was in that, take a bat and just hit it out of the park kind of a mood. So that's how it happened. And next thing you know, we were on set. It happened very, very quickly. And I just like the idea that it was new. We should always do new things. That's all.
And how was it working with mom? You know, uh, I know it can be quite intimidating working with Nina, but tell me.
So it was my first day on set, and my first shot was with Nina ji, and it was there were no dialogues, so I had to eat like a bowl of fruit and look very irritated. So I decided, those newcomers are just like, I will kill it on my first shot, and everyone's gonna clap and all of those things, and I just started hamming. And my mother just stopped in the middle and said, "Kitna bura kar rahi hai?" I was like, I think I died. I froze. And there were like all these people on set, and there was pin drop silence. And she said, "You know what? इतना ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तुम बस you be yourself. तुम relax करो तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा." And I think that for me was a big icebreaker actually, because I was very nervous about working with my mom, because I didn't know if she's going to come in her mother avatar or the actress avatar, you know. So I'm very happy she came in her mother avatar, because she said, and you know, we had a pact that I will not do my lines with her before I go on to set. We will not, do like rehearsals on our own ghar pe and all that, because I said, if I ask you to do it for me, then I'll imitate you. Then what is authentic about it? So it was all new, and we only did some readings. And she would stop in the middle of so many scenes. She would be like, "Nahi, इतना खराब नहीं करते." Like, she was like full mother. And it was great, because I think, mothers and fathers have this ability to think कि मेरा बेटा मेरी बेटी इतनी अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है, मतलब उसको लाइन लग जाएगी, and she said नहीं लगने वाली लाइन अगर ऐसे काम करोगे तो. So it was great, because it was an icebreaker. It completely broke me open, and I was just then relaxed, because I said if I'm overdoing it, she will become mother and stop me.
How close is it to your relationship in real life?
It's a very interesting one, actually. There's a lot of fear that I have. I'm very scared of her. And I'm very, very, I don't break the rules. Like, I remember in the middle when I went to stay at her house, I just didn't come home late and stuff. It's like that. And I'm all of 32 years old. I said, I'm not going to come home, and I don't want her to open the door because she never gives me the keys. So I'm very scared of her. So you will call me and I will open the door. This is not a hotel. So I said, okay, fine. So I'm very scared of her, and I think that's really helped maintain the sanctity of the relationship. It's we're great friends, great friends. We're both of each other's biggest critiques, which is very important. And there is a line. I wouldn't say there's like no line and we just say anything or whatever. There's a very, very strong line which is a mother-daughter line, and I don't think we cross it.
Give me an instances you have troubled teens with her. You have any kind of troubled teenage problems with her, or when you announced your marriage or your divorce, anything was. Give me an instance where you remember it was far from hunky dory.
I was obsessed with sport, and I said, I'm going to play this handball tournament in Azad Maidan. It was in school hours. So I said, khatam ho jayega, I'll go back home. It went on and on and on, and she didn't find me. She had sent the driver to pick me. And where is Masaba? So Masaba is missing. And then we found out she's playing handball in Azad Maidan. And I thought, I'm screwed. So I went back home, and she said, have a shower and sit down at the dining table at 8 o'clock. So I sat there, and she said, if you want to play sport, go ahead and do it. I won't pay for your education. Find someone to pay for it. If you want to learn about sex and boys, I will teach you that. But then don't come to me crying when shit goes and hits the fan. And if you want to live as a PG, start paying me money. And we'll make that arrangement. But then you have to get your own vegetables and make your own khana. So decide the life you want to live, and then accordingly, I'll be your mother and adjust myself.
7th standard kid.
She's just means, but it was after that, I swear I didn't ever do anything without her permission.
But I hope you didn't give up sports.
I didn't stop sports, because she said, she actually encouraged me to play sport, but she said, you can't do it at the rate of your studies not being neglected. She said, if you love sport, बहुत लोग हैं, discipline करो, don't meet your friends, have a disciplined life, play sport and study and make that your life, because I wanted to be a professional tennis player. So she said, when you want to be a pro, you can't have this, मैं party भी करूँगी, ये भी करूँगी, sleep over. She said, no, you wake up at 6 in the morning, do your homework, go play, come back, do your homework, and just be focused. Because she always believed that, you shouldn't neglect your studies. She studied a lot herself. She was studying to be an IAS officer. And then of course landed up at Prithvi Theatre, but yeah, so that's how it was. But after that, I just became like regimented.
So what next finally after Masaba? Masaba, what fashion designer or actor? Who goes ahead?
Oh God, I think both function parallelly. I think the brand today is at a stage where it's on an upward climb. By which I mean, we're doing great things, but it's also tough. It's really tough being a businesswoman, and I think I want to really grow House of Masaba. It's my baby, and I don't think you should ever abandon your first baby. And with respect to acting, I am currently in like, okay, now what do I need to do next mode? Because I've played myself, and I think I've found a comfort zone in playing myself. So now I want to do things that make me uncomfortable. So
Will there be a
I do
sequel to
see,
Masaba Masaba?
fingers crossed, fingers crossed. But I hope there's season two because we have lots more to share in terms of a story. But yeah, I what I do is I spend half my day now designing, and I spend another 3-4 hours a day just doing scenes. So I like picking up random scenes, and I do them because ऐसे काम तो नहीं मिलने वाला. You have to prove yourself over and over again. So I'm willing to work hard, and that's what I'm doing. Fiction is what I want to do. I think while I'm happy playing myself, I really, really want to explore fiction.
So thank you, Masaba. You're seeing more wonderful stuff coming out of you from movies, web series, fashion, the works, the entire enchilada, as it were. I really hope the best of luck to you, and don't go away.
Okay. All right.